You know when you go for a drum fill and your hands just freeze, or the same two drum fills come out on repeat? I've seen this 1,000 times with other drummers, and it's not lack of fills. You're missing one small thing, the accent structure inside the 16ths. Think of it like an accent map. Your hands follow the map, not a memorized shape. Once you see it, it clicks. Let me show you. This is the final version. Accent, stickings, orchestration, everything. And this is what most drummers do. They try to memorize the whole bar as one big chunk. It works until you add real music. Then it disappears. Because you didn't learn a system, you learned a shape. What makes a fill usable is the map underneath, the accent structure inside the 16ths. And once your hands understand the map, you stop freezing and you can build fills in real time. And here is the cool part. From that one accent map, you can create 10, 20 different fills, like in minutes, because you're not memorizing anymore, you're building. Step 1 is stupid simple, but don't skip it, okay? Quiet 16 notes, right, left, super soft, super controlled. When you play quietly, the sticks cannot hide anything. When even notes show up, tension shows up, one hand louder than the other, you hear it instantly. So the goal is quiet 16ths, even sound, relaxed hands. Alright? Step 2. Now, if you show the full bar of accents to most drummers, they try to play everything straight away. And that's where it falls apart. So we keep the same quiet 16ths and we add one accent at a time. And notice what's happening. You're not memorizing anymore. You're training control. And that's the missing piece. That's why your drum fill stopped disappearing. And by the way, if you like structure, you're gonna love the Backbeat code. It's free, link below, save it for later. All right, now let's orchestrate it. Now comes the fun part. Because once your hands understand the accent map, you can turn into loads of real drum fills just by moving accents around the kit. And we are going to do this in the same way. We don't move everything at once. We move one accent at a time. So first, keep everything on the snare and move accent 1 to a tom. Notice what's happening. Same hands, same accent map, but now it already sounds like a real different drum fill because you are orchestrating it. Now move accents 1 and 2 to toms. Then 1, 2, and 3. And you keep building up until the full bar is orchestrated. Now watch how easy it is to get variations when you have a system. See, you're not memorizing drum fill number 17. You're making decisions. That's the whole point. So let's recap what you just learned. Step 1, quiet 16ths. Even sound, relaxed hands. Step 2, add accents one by one, train control, not memorization. Step 3, orchestrate one accent at a time, and now you can create a bunch of musical drum fills fast. You didn't just learn a fill today, you learned the skill that creates fills. That's how you stop freezing, that's how you stop repeating the same two fills over and over. That's how you start sounding like you. And guys, here is your challenge. Take this fill system and do it for 15 to 20 minutes a day. Then come back to this video and tell me what changed. If you want my full practice system, the Backbeat Code mini course is linked below for free. I'll see you soon.